If your dog in here, and your motherfucking dog keep it 100, they keep it 100. Or your bitch keep it 100, 100. We gon' celebrate in this motherfucker together tonight. Get all the bottles in the eye, homie. Turn it up and pass me the yike. Tap through the streets, nigga, mad through the lights. Motherfuck them, nigga, this our city. All my niggas and all my bitches. My dog gon' keep it 100. My dog gon' keep it 100. My dog gon' keep it 100. Clown with your dog if you keep it 100. My dog always 100. All year we keep it 100. They lame and a lot of y'all phony. They aight, but that's my homie. Stay down and we came up tight. He stayed in some shit, but I had his bite. He'll tell it to you once, wouldn't tell you twice. He'll say it how he wanna and be ready to fight. We used to thug it in the school. We both was some fools. OSS, cause we breaking all the rules. Whoop a nigga ass if he stepped on my shoes. And he said Miss Swift look just like a dude. Money, cars, clothes. He yelling, pass me the yak, I'm yelling, pass me the drove. We both getting money, we done both been broke. Through the good and the bad, know I love you, bro. Turn it up and pass me the yike. Tap through the streets, nigga, mad through the lights. Motherfuck them, nigga, this our city. All my niggas and all my bitches. My dog gon' keep it 100. My dog gon' keep it 100. My dog gon' keep it 100. Clown with your dog if you keep it 100. You're damn right, nigga, this my dog. We used to do what we wanted, one stun the law. If he get jammed up, then I'm burning him out. And if we both go down, he ain't open his mouth. My dog, my ace, my partner in crime. A lot of niggas faded out, but you held me down. And we came from the dirt, 2 plants in the ground. Pop a pill in the air, now we ready to clown. Got 2 freak bitches and both